How to log out of Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Facebook Messenger app. Now, if you open up Messenger app, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if you head into menu by tapping on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen here and head into settings. Now, as you can see, there is no any option to log out. Unfortunately, there is no any option to log out on Messenger, but there is an alternate solution to it. Now, what you can do is you can switch account. You can see here switch account option, simply tap on it. Now you can add another account, and if you don't want to use this account and you want to log it out, what you can do is switch to another account. Either you can create new account or you can add another account, and you can switch account by tapping on switch account. Simply tap on the profile, another profile, and it will ask you to continue, and simply tap on continue and you'll be switched to another account. Now, however, if you don't want to add another account, or if you don't have one and you don't want to create another one and you don't want to switch account, you simply want to log out, what you can do is you can clear your Messenger data. Now, to do so, simply scroll down the notification bar, and on the top right corner of the screen you'll find the gear icon. Simply tap on it here, and here scroll down all the way below until you find the apps option. Open up the app option, and you can search in from the search bar for Messenger. Now simply search in for Messenger and open it up and scroll down and until you find the option storage. And on storage, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you can see the option clear data. Simply tap on clear data here, and you can read that all of this applicant's data will be deleted permanently. So what you want to do is simply tap on delete option, and once you do it, all your Messenger's data will be removed, and this will log you out of your account too. So you can just leave it like that, and when you want to use Messenger you can simply log in back. So this way you can log out of Facebook Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.